Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to ask a question on Quora. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Quora application, which of course I have done right here. Now where exactly can you find Quora? You can find Quora on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Quora and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. After downloading the app successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in or to create a new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Quora. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to ask a question on Quora. Okay, so from this homepage, check the top of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons which include ask, answer, and post. So go ahead and click on ask. Once you click on ask, it's going to take you right into the ask window. Now it says start your questions with what, how, why, etc. So let's say, why is God just so kind? So that's a question, and now it says you have 6 answers to why is God so kind. Now you can get answers here, but no, we're not looking for answers. We just want to ask a question and we want to post the question. So now you have a question here. Now you check the top right corner of your screen. You have the add button. So go ahead and click on the add button, and you see that your question is going to be added. So we found a similar question. You can view answers to that. If not, just go ahead and add a new question. If you want to edit the question, go ahead and click on edit a question, or just proceed to click on add new question button. And that's it. If you want to request answers, you can request answers, but I don't want to request answers. You can request answers by clicking on the share button right here to request answers, but I don't want to request answers. I just want to click on done. Okay, my Grammarly icon is saying no way, no way. So click on done, and once you click on done, that's just going to be it. So get an AI answer. No, I want to skip. So skip, and that's it. So that's my question. My question has been published. Why is God so kind? So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.